Hello everyone. Everything I'm going to show you in this video has been reviewed by the mechanics at the shop where I'm at, so relax, we're going to fix your car's issue together thanks to this. If the message "Supercharging Unavailable, add payment method" appears on your Tesla, don't worry. It doesn't mean the car is broken or that superchargers have become pay-per-view. The car is simply saying, "Hey, I can't charge you if I don't know how, so I won't let you charge." Basically, Tesla needs a valid payment method on your account to allow you to use the supercharger network, unless you have free supercharging included. The most common reason, according to most mechanics, is that your payment method in the app or on the website is outdated, expired, or misconfigured for supercharging. Many people assume that because the card works for everything else, it also works for supercharging, but Tesla handles that payment separately. Another detail some mechanics report is that if you have a pending balance from previous sessions, Tesla blocks new charges until you pay what you owe. This often happens if you use virtual cards or cashback apps because the charge may take time to process. Paying any outstanding balance almost always clears the message. There are also some real-life tricks reported by forum users. If the card is fine and there's no pending balance, bringing the key or phone close to the car and holding down the start button can make the system wake up and recognize your account, removing the message without touching anything else. It can also happen that if you bought a used Tesla, the car may still be linked to the previous owner's account. Many mechanics had to transfer the VIN to their own account for supercharging to work again because payment information is tied to the registered owner. Finally, although less common, sometimes the message appears due to temporary issues on Tesla servers or glitches in the app. Some mechanics say that simply waiting 30-40 minutes, reconnecting the supercharger cable, or restarting the car made the message disappear on its own.